Welcome to the Weather Guru Podcast for August 10th, 2026 in the lower 48. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button on the way in. We're going to be talking about the courtesy of radar scope, the severe thunderstorm warnings and watches in the lower 48. Starting off in the Tidewater area of Virginia here. And we have hail and straight line winds, the primary threat here. This includes Norfolk, Portsmouth, and the city of Suffolk, Virginia here. As you can see, these storms are heading out to the bay, Chesapeake Bay here. We're coming along that's 64 or the CBB tunnel or the MBB tunnel. Be very careful there as these storms are rumbling through here. They're moving pretty fast, so that's the good news here in the Tidewater of Virginia through Hampton, Pecosin, Virginia Beach, Norfolk, Suffolk, and even Chesapeake coming in with some showers and thunderstorms here. So the thunderstorm warning continues for the next 15 minutes for those areas here. And then back behind it, we have severe thunderstorm warnings for Accomack and Northampton County. Same thing, almost an inch hail and 60-mile-an-hour winds. And you can see this nice outflow boundary here through Wakefield, Waverly, Cortland. This outflow boundary here just crossing over 95 here, and Sussex and Jarrett down in southern Virginia here toward the border, North Carolina border. Be very careful with those storms there. Now in Georgia, McIntosh County, 1 inch hail and 60-mile-an-hour winds here. This is off I-95 in Darien, Georgia here. 1 inch hail, 60-mile-an-hour wind straight out as it heads toward just past the Georgia Sea Isles here and out toward the coast. So we're coming along 95 between Darien, Brunswick, up towards Midway and the lower suburbs of Savannah, Georgia. You're going to be running in some rain showers there as well, and that includes South Carolina, Port Royal, Beaufort, and those areas, Parris Island, and those areas, and they're experiencing some showers as well. Delaware, Sussex County, this expires in 10 minutes here. Less than a quarter inch, 3/4 inch hail, and 60-mile-an-hour winds for Sussex County in Delaware. Severe thunderstorm warning for you guys. This includes Rehoboth Beach and places like that, 13 miles east of Georgetown, Delaware, moving at southeast at 45 miles an hour. So these storms are moving very fast, so it's good news, and they're producing 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. But damage to trees, power lines is possible here for Millsboro, Lewes Beach, Dagsboro. Once again, in South Bethany and Dewey Beach here in the Delaware metro area. So be very careful. And there's heavy rain across Maryland Eastern Shore as well, and the southern part of Maryland too as well. So keep them in mind if you're making the plans down there as well. Now, Virginia, Williamsburg, like I said, these showers up here. Severe thunderstorm warning for the next 10 minutes here for 1 inch hail and 60-mile-an-hour winds. And then we go out to the plains here in Nebraska. 1 inch hail and 60-mile-an-hour winds in Cheyenne County here, and this is producing in 25 minutes here. A severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southeast of Sidney Airport, or 9 miles southeast of Sidney, Nebraska. 60-mile-an-hour winds and quarter-size hail here. Twin Buttes, Nebraska here is in the country area of Nebraska here, so just be careful if you're coming out of Cheyenne, coming out of the plains here, and exiting the mountains into Nebraska there as well. Indiana, Fulton, Marshall, Pulaski, and Stark counties here, same thing. Greater than 1 inch hail and 60-mile-an-hour winds here, and its rotation is possible with this storm here in northwestern Indiana. So this includes North Judson, just off US 31 or Highway 31 there, 8 miles northwest of Winamac, Indiana. 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts includes those areas there, Bass Lake, Monterey. Just be careful there with those showers coming out the lake there as it makes its way just south of South Bend, about an hour south of South Bend there. Those showers there through Rochester and Plymouth in Indiana. Okay. Also, we have a severe thunderstorm warning out west in Colorado, El Paso and Pueblo counties here, just south of I-25 here. Both warnings are coming up I-25 leaving Pueblo. You got 16 miles north of Pueblo, severe thunderstorm located near Pinion, Colorado. 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts, radar indicated damage to roof siding and trees. Fountain and Hanover, Colorado here. All these areas in Colorado are experiencing rain showers, and there's your 2 severe thunderstorm warnings just north of Pueblo, Colorado there at the time. South Carolina, Greensville and Lawrence, South Carolina, in the upstate South Carolina here, just off of 385 and 85 junction here. You have heavy rain in Malden, Gant, Greenville, Spartanburg area here. Once again for 60-mile-an-hour winds and straight line hail there, and you see a nice outflow boundary with that system as well. We have severe thunderstorm warning in New York and Vermont, Caledonia, Chittenden, Clinton, and Essex counties here. This is way up upstate New York here, and this concludes the cities of Plattsburgh, Cowansville, 1 inch hail and 50-mile-an-hour winds here. Just so you're coming south of 87 here. Be very careful here with these storms here. So we've done some one includes northern New York, Clinton County, Essex County, and then in Vermont, Lamille County and Caledonia counties in Vermont. So once again, New York, Vermont border here. Quarter-size hail being reported here, as well as minor damage to vehicles is possible here for Burlington, Vermont, Franklin, Newport Town, Montgomery Center, Albany, New York, St. Albans, Fairfax, Colchester, Vermont as well. So be very careful up here, way up here in the upstate of New York and the Vermont border here toward Montreal. We want to keep those in mind too as well. We have a few flash flood warnings that are out west, and this is typical of the monsoon season. This is in Arizona, Grand Canyon Village, Tuba City, Cameron, Arizona, north of Flagstaff here in the mountains here. There's a flash flood warning. This monsoonal flow is heavy up here north of Flagstaff. Soon that will be turning into snow in the next couple of months here as we get deeper in the fall, maybe later in the wintertime. But right now it's rain and it's producing flash flood in the hills of Flagstaff, north of Flagstaff there. Be very careful there. Flash flood warnings in effect there as well. And Arizona, Cosino County, Gila, and Navajo counties as well. Flash flood warnings in effect for you. And one in Hampton, Newport News, Pocosin, and York counties along 64 there. And Hampton and Tidewater, Virginia, there's flash flood warning for the next 2 hours here. Heavy rain between 1 to 2 inches per hour because of these thunderstorms. Turn around, don't drown, as you know. Newport News, Hampton, Langley Air Force Base. Hampton University is included in this, as well as Christopher Newport University as well. Be very careful here. Plumtree Island, Hampton, Newport News, Pocosin, southeastern Virginia. Flash flood warning until 2 hours and 36 minutes here. National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued that. And you can see why. We have this band that just came through. And then we have another band that's coming through there. It's a rough ride on this, the Hampton CBB tunnel here, US 13, coming across Chesapeake Bay for those truckers and everything. You see the rain is coming right across that bay there. And connecting to Eastern Virginia with a rough ride there. So be careful there. Slow down, take your time, put your hazard lights on, and just go through as successful as you can. So those are the warnings that we have and flash flood warnings that we have as well. I'll zoom out here and you can see most of the rain is confined to the East Coast here, as it just came through the I-95 corridor about 2 hours ago Eastern Standard Time. But that's DC, south of Philadelphia, Jersey, and then it came into Virginia. Now it's just getting ready to exit off the Atlantic coast here. As you can see a wider view here. Most of the showers are the heavy showers are confined to the East Coast here and then the Northeast as well into Canada, as we have most of the severe thunderstorm warnings on that side too as well. It's been the Weather Guru Podcast for August the 10th, 2026. Thanks for listening. Hit that like and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next episode. Take care.